Howdy everyone. There was a one person who asked one of the saints who was passing by his home. Um, he asked the saint, uh, "Why am I too much poor?" So saint smiled after listening to his question, and mostly he grinned like this. uh, and he said to him, he answered him, it means Saint. Saint answered that guy, "You are poor because you ain't learnt anything else yet giving to the people." The person said, "I have nothing to give. How can I give it to others when I have nothing?" Saint said, "You have a face which can give others a smile. You have two hands which can help needy people. You have a head. When your head bows down, it means you are giving the respect to the others." After having these many things, if you think you have nothing, it means you haven't learnt anything else yet giving to the people. So the moral of this story is that we have lots of things in our life, but we feel something is lacking. I lack something, I have a lack of something. It's not so. It's only our mental level. Only it is up to us how we can manage it. If you think I have nothing, so after having lots of things, 100%, you would remain yourself nothing. And after having nothing, if you feel I have still lots of things to do, I have lots of things in my life, so believe in me, you are making yourself full of happiness, full of joy. Why? Because you have decided, it is in your mind. So it's completely up to us. Thank you people for listening to me. My name is Jitendra Gangwani. I have been training the people in Jit Vernacular Institute. If you people are really interested in speaking English, if you understand really the importance of the language, how we can communicate with the people in English when people talk to us in English. So if you people think you people really need to speak English, join me for my online course. My number is 9373537363. Do join me for my online course. If you send me any query, if you send me any question, I would try my level best to respond to your question. Thank you everybody. Have a nice time ahead.